Here is a video of my 2018 unbranded 12-inch box fan. Now, this isn't very different to the box fan you get in America, because the box fans in America, well, they don't look like this. They just look like regular fans, but just boxier. And some of them only have 3 blades as well. This fan, however, what the American ones don't do, it has a lever. I've seen one in America that does it actually, but not many. Anyway, this is a generic built out of plastic. The rotating bit here it's not really the best. I mean, you can push it out like this. I'm pretty sure it can be removed for cleaning actually. And yes, I did make a leg out of cardboard because the other leg has gone missing. Anyway, your switches, you've got the timer, which can go to an hour. My tower fan can do 2 hours, but this could only do 1 hour for some reason. I guess it's because the motor overheats. But anyway, you've got the lever switch, which makes the grill rotate. Got your speed switch. Got low, medium and high. So that's the front of the fan. It's probably the most unique I've got, because it's not like a normal fan. Side view. And the back of the fan. So here is information. It's got no model number, but it is 12-inch oscillator box fan, which does say oscillating box fan. 240 volts, 50 hertz, 35 watts. I think it's a bit double insulated, not very rubbish, made in China. You often find these in Europe, you don't find these often in the UK, so to have one of these is quite unique, I would say. Anyway, the motors are in the front of this fan, so the blades are attached on the back, and this back grill can be removed for cleaning. Now, just like a tower fan, these fans work more like air conditioners than fans, because they circulate air around the whole room. So, yeah, pretty interesting if you ask me. Anyway, here's the back view. Pretty interesting fan, actually. Plastic is pretty actually not the worst. You can bend it. I mean, sure you can bend it, but it's not that bad. It was got a carry handle. It's all right, but it's not the best. Anyway, see the Dodge logo made out of it. Anyway, got your quality check plasticers there. So yeah, this one's got 5 blades as well, just like my Brian there does. And now I'll show you about this fan. So here is the bottom of the fan. As you can see, there's the leg made out of cardboard, but yeah, as you can see, the old legs clip onto here. It has got a rubber cord. See, the legs can be this leg can actually be removed, believe it or not. Just push back on it and it comes off. To put it back on, what you do is you put this back in like that. Slide it back in. You see it's screwed together with screws. Now, I'll turn it off. And you can actually, believe it or not, you can actually rotate this as well. See? You can rotate the grill. And it has a brushless motor. As you can see in there, because there's no brushes on the motor. That means it's a brushless motor. So, we'll start this fan off now. So, we'll start with no lever, so we'll make sure the lever is off. Anyway, what we're going to do... Chloe sort of added to her story on Snapchat. Anyway, this here is on low. Not too powerful on low. It's also my only box fan. Medium. It's got a dial to let you know the wardrobe roll only rotates 180 degrees. It takes 460 degrees. Oh! The fan does like to fall over. And the legs not broken, thankfully. Hi. Now we'll do low with louver. You can actually make it really way as well. Let's see. Let's go this way, so. Get the most in the front of the stand. Medium with louver. High with louver. And it goes the other way. And now we'll do off and spin down time. Here's off. And first of all, this fan actually has pretty good weight pitch, so it's a win. Now that is in the front somewhere. Let's see the motor. So it's my one. Despite what I said, it expanders. Now I'll show you when you away. Wait a second. You can watch the spin nothing again. So now I'll show you doing the louver off and anti-clockwise. After that, I'll show you the plug, because I think I always forget to show the plug. Why do I always forget to show the plug? I don't know, but now I'm going to show you the lever going the other way. So here is low. Oops, clockwise. Medium. High. Definitely an interesting fan. Got to be on time as well. So build quality, I'd give it about a 6 maybe, but about a 5. So the actual build quality of the fan, like plastic and stuff, is actually not too bad. But like parts like the legs, which I can come off quite easily, and you can do this to the grill. You can pull on the grill. Someone could just pull that grill off. It's not the best. Also, the legs are a weakness link, because the legs can be lost easily. Avoid the loss on the legs. That's why I've got this leg. I had to make a leg for it. Also, the plastic separates quite easily. And for airflow, I'd give it a solid 5. It's not too powerful, it's not too weak. Just like the Netto, it's not too powerful, not too weak. It's just right. And yeah, so overall, giving this fan a 5.5 out of 10. Good, but could be better. And now I'm going to show you the plug. As promised, I'll show you the plug. So here is the plug. Yes, the outlets are most likely to be the same as Reptile's outlets. Anyway, here's the plug. It's got a plastic plug. Really well made. Yeah, I'm coming, hang on. Nearly finished now. So yeah, it's screwed together by one screw. So yeah, very weirdly shaped plug actually. So pretty unique fan, and I recommend it. So that is my unbranded 12-inch used box fan. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.